Hey everyone, Lenovo is set to launch the Legion Y700 2024 gaming tablet in China on September 29, 2024, and early teasers have already generated significant buzz. Powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, Lenovo has offered a glimpse into its performance, particularly in gaming benchmarks, which have garnered a lot of attention from mobile gaming enthusiasts. Lenovo recently shared performance stats on Weibo, showcasing how the Y700 handles various mobile gaming genres. The standout result is its ability to run 3D turn-based games at a near-perfect 59.8 frames per second at a high resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels. Remarkably, this performance is delivered with a power consumption of just 8.8 watt, which suggests impressive efficiency for such a high-performance device. Role-playing game fans are in for a treat as well. The Y700 is capable of running open-world RPGs at 59.9 FPS, maintaining smooth gameplay with a resolution of 1728 by 1080 pixels. This result was achieved at a slightly higher power consumption of 9.5 watt, a reasonable trade-off for such graphically demanding games. While Lenovo hasn't confirmed specific game titles, their teaser image of Genshin Impact suggests that the tablet can handle even the most graphically intense mobile games with ease. Another key performance metric shared by Lenovo is its capability in mobile fighting games. The Y700 runs these titles at an impressive 59.9 FPS, with a resolution of 2304 by 1440 pixels. Again, while specific titles weren't mentioned, this resolution and frame rate hint at excellent gaming potential across the board. The Legion Y700's strong showing positions it as a formidable competitor in the gaming tablet market. However, it faces stiff competition from other devices like the recently launched Red Magic Nova, which also features the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, though in a slightly more optimized leading version. It remains to be seen how the Y700 stacks up against this variant in real-world performance, but the early benchmarks are promising. Aside from raw power, the Y700 2024 boasts a number of high-end features that enhance its gaming prowess. A 165Hz refresh rate display promises smooth visuals, which will be a major draw for gamers looking for a seamless experience in fast-paced titles. Lenovo has also packed the Y700 with a robust vapor chamber cooling system. The system's dimension, measuring 10,004 square millimeters, ensures that the device will remain cool during extended gaming sessions, minimizing performance throttling caused by heat. The Legion Y700 specs place it in the upper echelon of mobile gaming devices. However, with its official release just around the corner, more detailed reviews will be essential to confirm whether it truly lives up to its potential in daily use. The Lenovo Legion Y700 2024 promises to be a powerhouse for mobile gaming, boasting an impressive Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, high refresh rate display, and robust cooling system. With benchmarks already suggesting that it can handle the most graphically intense games at high frame rates and resolutions, Lenovo's latest offering looks poised to be a top contender in the gaming tablet market. Fans won't have to wait long to see the full picture, as the official launch and subsequent reviews are just days away. For those eager to see how it compares to the 2023 model, Lenovo has also provided a link to last year's review, setting the stage for what could be a massive upgrade. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new tablet? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.